Hi there, I'm Yvonne DeSellis coming to you on my channel in an attempt to show you something that may or may not work. I just want to show you this exercise from the side that I showed yesterday when I said you don't want a gap between this part of your back and the wall, and I said tuck your glutes in. I meant like this, tuck in your back, glutes in so that there's no space. You shouldn't be able to put your hand between your back and the wall. And then when I say put your arms up, I mean all the way up. Arms completely pressed up against the wall, hands pressed up as well. I know it's hard to get into this position. And again, if you want to make this a little bit easier, don't have your feet up against the wall. Move your feet forward, walk forward a little bit so that you're back like this, but get your arms up against the wall, all the way back pressed up, hands pressed up all the way, and just go as high as you can handle and then go down again. And I'd say just do a couple of sets of this. If it really hurts, don't do it. I'm doing it for an injured shoulder. It does hurt. I can only go up so high and then I have to bring it back down. This is to improve range of motion. Anyway, sorry for not being able to do a short. I couldn't get this to film properly, but I'm hoping you can hear me. So as always, thank you so much for your time. I'm not looking at the right spot. This, I think, is the right spot for us to make eye contact. As always, I thank you for your time. Take care, and I hope you'll be back. Cheers. Bye-bye.